Papa. Papa. Handsome boy. Oh my gosh. All right, so we're on our way to a couple of places. First, let's start on the car. Let's see how it hears, how it sounds. Oh, very soft. Let's just get out of here. Paramount. Paramount, right?
Mondon Avenue.
Mondon.
Unless I'm looking at this wrong.
I don't know. I'll just put it here.
Like that.
Oh yeah.
I was probably looking at the
No.
street.
Yeah, it's getting
Florence.
Yeah, Florence. That's what you had to tell me, not Mondon. What's that biker doing? Look at him. That's how people get run over. Summer. Feels like a summer day.
Why don't you leave your shirt just by itself on the jacket?
Okay. Yeah, I'll take it off right now. I just brought this for when it gets like a little chilly later. But yeah, I'll take it off right now.
It does, because yesterday was not chilly. It was fresh.
Yesterday it was fresh all day. Yeah, we like to go to this very low-key coffee spot in Downey. It's low-key.
I don't think we've gone since he was born.
Yeah, we haven't gone in a cool minute. Yeah, we haven't gone in a while.
I don't think we'll take it.
But this coffee shop, it's like behind Main Street, so it's like very hidden. So you would never come across it if you did not know about it, or unless you searched it up. So I found it years ago, and they have really good stuff. His what? Yeah, I'm telling you, he probably has allergies. Maybe he like wants to sneeze. Yeah, my baby, I don't know if it's just allergies or because of the weather change. You know, because now it's a little hotter. And he's like rubbing his nose a lot. And then he's been sneezing. The light's green. Why are they not going? These people aren't moving. Why is there so much traffic here? Oh, I think I know why.
Why?
I think they're all gonna go to 3rd Street.
What? Honestly, now there's just traffic every day.
I think they're all going to the same spot.
Every day there's traffic.
I know, every single day, even weekends. I know.
That's why we need to move.
That's why we need to go to Hemet. No, it's because they're all going to the freeway. Freeway's right here. They're all going to Cerritos Mall. Fell asleep? He was just tired. This part of this part of Downey has really nice houses.
Like they have a basketball court.
Yeah, these houses over here. I don't know what part of Downey this is, but it's near the 605 and the 5. The neighborhood over here, huh?
I'm like, all this area because these are nice too.
Yeah.
These are smaller, but they're nice too.
Yeah, like this whole neighborhood, like everything around here. Like over here, you have more of the bigger houses that look like mansions, like literally. And then over here to the right, it's like still very nice houses, but they're like much smaller.
How about the house in 92?
Yeah. I'm sure they bought their house back in like 1940 or something.
Look at this one.
Yeah, this one's huge.
So nice. They have parking over there and parking.
One day, I'll get us a house over here.
But I wouldn't want a big house like that.
Yeah, because then to like maintain
I would want
it.
a big yard and stuff.
Yeah, I think that'll be good.
But a house, I think like an average.
I think a normal, a normal house with like 4 bedrooms.
Look at this one. It has a whole
hedge. Look, they have a Rolls Royce. Of course, they have that house.
They have like the grass like covering your house.
But yeah, like I think we would want just like a regular house, like 4 bedrooms, but with a big backyard, a big front yard. I think that'd be nice. Yeah, a ranch too. Got a lot of horses, chickens, dogs. What else? Pigs?
Cows, goats. No, I don't want pigs.
You don't want pigs?
No.
Why? What do you have against pigs?
I mean, they're cute. But
Just playing. No, yeah.
They're kind of dirty.
Yeah, they're dirty.
I mean, I wouldn't mind having one, like if someone were to give us.
Imagine like those pet pigs that people have.
Yeah, I mean they're cute.
But yeah.
Like we would have to have like, like their area. But I just want cows, horses, goats, and I think that's it.
Chickens?
I mean, we got chickens, but chickens.
I want chickens.
You want chickens?
Well, I would like chickens just because the eggs. We'll see. We'll see what God has for us. Get us a ranch. Get build 3 houses around it. That we could bring all our family over here. All of us in the same spot. Alright, right here, Downey Avenue. No, I could have, but I was like, I'll just wait. What happened? Cops! Over here it's kind of nice too, but it's just like apartments, huh? Apartments, church, school, church and school. Remember we actually looked at an apartments over here?
Okay, we went to see it, but the walls not sound.
Oh yeah, the walls were like very.
It's like you can literally hear everything.
Yeah.
And then it would be upstairs. Oof.
Oh yeah, imagine if we were upstairs.
And we wouldn't even fit because they didn't have a big closet. So, but I mean, like, hey, everything worked.
Yeah. I wonder what happened here. I need to go here.
For the apartment that we have now, I prayed the whole week.
You prayed? Oh, really?
Yeah.
For what? Like. Oh, okay. A bigger apartment?
No, for the one we have now. For the one that we have now, I was praying for it.
Oh, you were like praying for it.
Like I was praying, and we got it.
Yeah, that's good.
I mean, they called us like the last day.
It is a church too. We should come here one day. Oh, really? All right, now let's look for parking. It's Saturday, so I feel like there's gonna be no parking. There's no parking over there. I'm gonna have to park. Oh, imagine it's packed. Hopefully it's not packed. No, it's not packed.
There's people in there.
Yeah, there's people in there, but there's no line.
No.
I know.
Parking this way. To your right.
Am I right?
Maybe there's parking there.
Maybe. Well, you know, sometimes we find parking over here to the left.
Either or.
Huh?
Don't take on nothing, just a carriola.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Squish your camera.
Huh?
Well, I mean by the squish your camera.
Right now. Should
I want this car.
Wait. What? This one? Bronco? You want this Bronco? Too sleepy.
Oh, but they have a head spa. They have a head spa right here. Here. Let me see.
Good morning. Can I start off with a latte iced coffee, please?
Can I do the same? Yes. And then can I have a chipotle chicken breast meat?
Chipotle,
No.
Yeah.
Caviar.
79 coffee.
Thank you very much.
No, I think it was good.
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay, we told it under 66.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Well, it's delicious.
That's lovely.
Remember you got like gyros? I was mad for you, you got gyros and then I was mad. No, you had two and then I was mad and I didn't eat it and then you ate all of it.
Oh, really?
Do you guys want to sit down?
If you don't mind.
No.
Yeah. Okay, okay. Thank you. Good?